So today we'll just touch some basic theory about the integrated uh, capture. Okay, so let me share the screen. So I hope you are able to see the screen, right? Okay, great. All right, so integrated one. All right, so integrated, as I told you even earlier, is that one second. Yeah, integrated, as I told you, like in GoldenGate, we had two types, that is the book classic and the integrated one. All right, the thing is, the book classic is there from the start. All right, and integrated, it was introduced from 11.2.03, sorry, 11G OGG actually, and integrated over replicate was from 12.1. All right, and integrated can be used only for Oracle as a source. All right, so if you're having SQL or Sybase as a source, even in 18C or 12C, it has to be classic only. All right, so just let's go through the basic requirements and all. So at least minimum we need 11.2.0.3, and some patches would be required. Now based on your versions and all, you can just refer the note from the MOS, and then you can check what all patches is required for you all. And then, as I told you, integrated extract were introduced from OGG 11.2, and integrated replicate was from 12.1. Another important parameter which we need is the stream pool size. So just the stream pool, all right? Because integrated, as I shown you previously also. So let us again see a diagrammatic view. That's my source. Let me take this as redos, okay, or archives, whatever you want. All right, redo archives, and here is my extract, integrated extract. Okay, and it will take help of the log miner, which is inbuilt to the Oracle binaries, right? So what this guy would do, integrated extract will take a help of the log miner, which will indirectly scan the redos or archives, and based on which all tables are there in the extract, it will extract from the redo and archive, and log miner will again pass those information as LCR, that is logical change record. Logical change record. LCR. Okay, and then extract, as usual, will write, will read the LCS and will write to the full local rate. Okay, now here actually in between these two, all right, there are many more processes, preparer, capture, and all. So that I will show you in the later half. But for us, we just need to know the, I would say, outer blocks, because I mean, what like from my experiences, we don't touch the very detailed internal parts, of which is there within this uh, structure. Okay, so that I'll show you in the later. Once this is clear, then I will show you what all more components we have within these. Okay, and these are the trail files. And classic extract, as you all know, it will directly hit the redo and archives and write to the trail files. Okay, is a basic difference clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, Sayed, thank you. Let me open my VM also in parallel. Okay, now just to remember these points, I will explain more in the other slides. Now, the basic thing what we need to do for integrated capture is to register the extract. So this will enable integrated for capture more. Okay, I'll check on it after the class. Okay, all right. Now enable the extract in classic mode, made it to work with RMAN. So thing is, okay. Now registering the extract for integrated extract, it is a must. Okay, without that you cannot do the work. All right. And the classic capture, even for the classic extract, you can register it. Now why we register the classic? So that it can hold a lock on the RMAN and all, so that when RMAN tries to clean the old archives and all, it will have kind of a checkpoint. So I'll show you the errors which we face in that also. Just anybody is having any existing VMs now? Because my desktop was crashed a day back, and I need to check a few more things. So Bhaskar, are you having any VM?
No, Sri, I don't have.
Okay, fine, not an issue. Okay, so what all privileges you need for the integrated one? So this is this package dbms underscore GoldenGate underscore auth dbms underscore GoldenGate underscore auth dot grant dot sorry underscore admin underscore privilege and code the GG user. Then grant insert on system dot log miner restart checkpoint. All these are required. All right. Now, how you actually perform it? Well, DB login, as you all know, is the basic step. So, what DB login? Then register. Register extract name database. So this will show you that extract successfully were registered with a database at SCN this. All right. So what happens here is that extract integrates with the database log mining server to receive changes to receive the change data. Once again. Oh, sorry, I was in mute. Okay, I'll say again. Okay, so extract integrates with the database log mining server to receive change data in the form of LCR, that is logical change record. All right. So log miner does the data capturing, filtering, and extract does not read the redo. So this is one of the factors why integrated extract performance wise it is much better than classic, because log miner is an, I would say, in-house tool, right, with the Oracle binaries, right? And GoldenGate, as you know previously, like it has been brought by Oracle, but its origin like it was a different organization altogether, right? So for to make extract, read the redo and archives, that was a bit slower compared to the log miner capturing the, I mean, reading the redo archives and capturing the data. All right. But yes, Classic was not that slow, but yes, integrated was much improved performance. And we cannot set integrate extract to a point earlier to the register point. What I mean by this, for example, if you register the extract, for example, at 9 a.m., all right, and then you add the extract and all, so you cannot alter the extract earlier than 9 a.m. That you cannot do it like 8:30 or even 8:59. No. Okay, that's what it means. Always check extract status post altering the extract to a timestamp or SCN. Okay, so this is a real-time issue. Thing is like I'll show you all these slides again and I will show in the practical also. Things like yeah, Sayed, yeah. Oh, that will be fine. Let me make you the presenter then. Oh, Sayed, you can share your screen, okay? Just open and give me all your machines, and I like to show in that. I'll just do an info, so no need to worry. I'll not do anything more. Oh, okay, okay, fine. This is a test environment, I suppose, right? Give me the access also. I mean, we can give me the rights to access. In the go to meeting, you can give me the access to the privilege to access your machine, please.
In go to machine where it is?
You need to, if you can right click over my name. Okay, let me do one thing. I will request you the control. So you got anything? I requested the control actually. Did you get any pop-up? You can or you can right click over my name in the attendees column. Shri. No, okay. Don't give to Shri, give to Hemant. No, you made me the presenter. Anyways, it's okay, man. Put no worries. I will fix the
Okay.
issue soon. Okay. So for now,
Okay.
just remember the points, and I will again go through it. All right. So no issues.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay. So where was I? Yeah. So always check the extract status post ordering the extract to a timestamp or SC. All right. Real time. Sometimes extract goes to past date, archive log search, and stays in it forever. Okay, I hope you remember once I told you that integrated extract are not much easy to handle. When I say not easy to handle, it means moving back and forth. Classic extract you can play with it, all right. But integrated ones you need to be a bit careful. So, for example, like as I told you here, 9 a.m. you register the extract. How you register? Register extract name database. All right. and then you add extract, etc. All right. Now, for example, now it is 10 a.m. right? Current time. The thing is, you can alter the extract back until 9 a.m. but not earlier to it. That is, cannot alter to 8:30 or 8:59 also. So I will show you all these things once I fix the EM. Alright, so not an issue. So that's what is the drawback of integrated one. Now, but what I have seen actually, for example, if the extract is registered a month back, okay, and to now you want to move it only few days back, like 5-6 days back, even at that point, integrated extract behaves very badly. It is actually stuck. Means what? In the it states in recovery. Actually, we have seen it. Like we had one issue, so we had to take extract back to weekend actually. So I think Friday, yeah. So we altered the extract to Friday, and the extract was added a year back. But we checked for 2-3 hours, and it was still in recovery only. So it's a real-time experience. Like if you want to take your extract back, I think within a day or two, still I will say fine, but not more than that, please. So if you have a situation where you need to take extract, like a week back or so, then better what we do, we downgrade it to classic and then we alter it. Okay, what you can do is you can try to test in your system by taking it backwards 2-3 weeks back, and if it works for you, fine. Else, if it's not working, then yeah, you have an option to downgrade to classic, alter it back, then once the lag is over, upgrade back to integrated one. Is it okay, clear?
Yes, Sri, clear.
Yeah. Now, let's see something more. As I told you earlier, altering of integrated extract consumes time. In classic, now why? You should ask why in classic you can easily play and why not in integrated one? What is the difference? In classic, only checkpoint file is required to be updated. Checkpoint file means the file in the dir chk, right? But in integrated, along with the checkpoint file, the log miner also required to update its checkpoint table in the database based on the information passed by the extract while altering. So that is the major issue why. Because in integrated one, you have the log miner internal checkpoints also.
Okay,
In classic, you just have the file itself, the checkpoint file. Okay.
okay,
Now, future time ordering. Future time means, okay. So, for example, at 10 a.m., I stopped the extract. Okay. I'd stop for 2-3 hours. So now it is 1 p.m. All right. At 1 p.m., if I alter the extract to start from current time, that is alter extract, extract name, begin now. So here what I'm doing, extract was stopped at 10 a.m. So I will now what will this do? This will make extract skip the archives between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Isn't it? So that is like forward time ordering. Is that clear?
But
Just
ideally, it
go.
will not do like that.
No, we can. Why not? We do. You'll have some situations where you'll have to do it.
Okay, when we don't need the changes between these 3 hours, then we can skip it
Yep,
out.
yep, yep, yep. Yes, exactly. So one example I can give. For example, now you don't have the DDL enabled, okay? And
Okay,
now there is you want to do a million of deletes, okay? Now there are two options,
okay,
right? Let me just show you. It's a good case. This is my source. This is my target. The regular set is here. Extract, boom, replicate. This is true for both, okay? The classic and integrated also. No, no, not like for integrated itself. Okay, so yeah, extract from pen over replicate. Now, for example, you have some millions of rows, okay, here. So 10 million rows, for example. Okay, same here in the target also. It means that both the source and target were in sync only, isn't it? Now, one
yes,
option you have that you need to clean 7 million rows both in the source and target. Okay, now this is a live environment. Okay, it's live. Let's okay. Hmm. Live. Okay. So what will you do? If you fire delete from the source, it will be captured in the extract, and then the delete will happen through GoldenGate, isn't it?
yes,
But that might increase your lag also, right? Now 10 millions. Now, for example, you have other tables also, like this blue one, or so even their replication would be affected, right? Because the extract is having load now, right?
yes,
So now here is how you have to plan, because app team will just come to you and directly say, guys, we need to clean up some 7 millions, or you know, uh, clean up last 5 years data, or to keep only last 1 year data, etc. However they say, in short, there will be lot of deletes and all. So what we tell them to do is that, because one risk here is like this will affect replication of other tables also, which we don't want to it. Then to avoid it, then we'll have to create a new extracts and all, etc., etc. That's again headache for us, isn't it? So what you can do,
yes,
one option, create a new extract for this particular table itself.
yeah,
Like, means what I mean to say, all these three are in the existing extract. So take this table out of this extract, have a new extract, and then do it. One option is that, but I would not prefer that also.
okay,
So what we do normally, and also we don't have DDL enabled and all. So normally, if it is done now, I told about delete. What if they do any truncate or alter, etc., or purge? We name it as purge itself. Okay. So what we tell them to do, so we will take some downtime. Okay. And so we take some downtime because all these activity are done in weekend only. So application team, since it's a purge activity, they should give the downtime. Okay. If they are not, then we'll have to look for some other solution. So take a downtime. What we do then, we stop the extract and extract pump and over replicate. All right. Suppose I stopped it at 9 a.m. Then at 9:10 we run purge or delete both at source and target together. So suppose this is the your purge script, okay? Your purge or delete script or job. So I will make it run both on the source and target at once. Understanding?
Yes.
But with the assurance that other tables, there are no transaction in other table also, ensuring no transaction taking place in other tables. So once the purge is deleted, sorry, once the purge job is finished, so for example, purge job completed at 11 a.m., I will just start my extract after 11 a.m. That is, either do alter extract name, begin, or give the timings. Okay, I can give the time or I can give the begin now, whatever is there according to your situation. So what will happen when I make my extract skip all the transactions which happened in these 2 hours? Then there will be no lag, right?
Yes, Sri.
Understanding? So what is it? And yes, now why I'm saying this, ensuring no transaction take place because, for example, between 9 to 11, if any of the other tables, any changes are happening over there, then with this begin now, even that will be skipped.
Understood.
Or else, for example, if your application team is not ready to ensure that other table won't be affected, then one solution uh, what you have is that no, stop the extract. Okay, there is another case. How do you think? For example, you don't have okay, you have downtime only for the table on which purge will happen, right? Because since purge is going to happen, it is understood that you will have a downtime, isn't it? Okay, but no downtime for other tables. Are you understanding by downtime? For downtime mean there won't be any DML transactions on those. How do you think we can make it happen? I mean, any guesses?
I think we'll take this table out of the existing extract and we'll keep it in a different extract. But
Mm-hmm.
we'll stop that as well and we'll perform the same operation like the existing extract is going to take care of the remaining two tables and
Okay. So
the
will
name.
that extract be started?
Sorry.
Okay. I'm saying now, suppose you created a separate extract, okay?
Yeah.
And uh, then will you let the extract run for the remaining? Okay,
Yeah,
we did
because we
not
don't
understand. Okay, let me jot down what you said. So first I will stop the extract. I will remove the, suppose let's term it as a table. Um, okay, that will be easy for us. So this is table A, this is B, this is C. Okay, we remove the table B from original and move it to a new extract, right? Is that what you mean?
yeah.
Okay, then third step.
Uh, then after that, okay, then again I'll stop the extract,
Which extract? New or the original?
the new one.
New one will be stopped only, na? You did not start it yet, right? Okay. New extract
Okay,
would remain stopped. Okay, then
then I'll run the purge from both source and target.
you will run what?
The same purge script,
Okay,
the
purge.
delete
Right. Okay.
and source and target.
Okay, then
And I start the extract once the purge is completed. Then I'll start the extract with begin now. Then
which,
it's going to
which extract will you will start with begin now?
the new one.
Okay, after purge, start the new extract with begin now. Okay, so that's it, right?
I mean, that's what I thought.
Okay, no, that's right, but you missed one point. You stopped the original extract, right?
Yeah,
You should start that also, na? Hmm.
yeah, yeah. I should start as then because we don't have a downtime for the table A and C, so we have
Exactly,
to start
exactly.
the extract then as well. Yeah,
Awesome, awesome. So what you can do is after this step, after you remove, right, start the original extract.
original
Let
extract. Yeah,
that let the replication for A and C continue,
continue.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Right? Awesome, good man. Very good. There's another way. Now what you did here, you created a new extract, right?
yeah.
What I will do, I will stop the original extract. I will remove table B itself from the original.
Okay,
I will start it. And also, what I will do another way, stop the extract, remove the table B from
okay.
original extract,
Start the extract.
start the extract. So this will continue for A and C, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah,
Purge script, all right?
yeah,
And after purge script is
yeah,
done,
yeah.
stop the extract,
Okay.
add table
Add
B, and then
to
start, right?
the yeah, yeah. I think yeah. Right.
Both is good. Awesome, man. Because see, that is what in GoldenGate, that's what I'm saying. This planning is more important.
Yeah,
Even this what you said, even that is good. Only thing is an extra process has been added, but your purpose serves well
yeah,
because this will save your performance issue, right? The main thing. Or else the client will eat your head actually. They even kill you, like, because what they expect, an insert done on source should be shown in the target in fractions of seconds. So that
Yes.
is what they expect, and that is what GoldenGate has given, in their, I mean, like while they promote and all, the sales team and all, right?
Yeah.
So that's the market pitch, right? So all these things are that way, right? Yeah. Original extract, and then just start it. Okay. So this is what we can also do. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Bhaskar, Sayed,
I'm good, Sri.
Sayed? Okay, great, Sayed. Okay. So now, all right. So this one thing I'll like to save it. Okay, I'll share this. This is one good thing which happened. What should I name it? Mm, purge activity. So thing is, it can be a purge activity or any other activity which you don't want GoldenGate to capture it. Okay. So just one example was the purge, right? So that based on your scenario, it can be over something else also. All right. All right. So where were we? Future time ordering. Yes, yeah. To explain this, I showed you that example, correct? All right. So you understood, right? When at what scenario you need extract to, skip some archives and redo and all, right?
Yeah.
All right. So to save the, sorry, to alter the extract into the future time, that is, skip some archived log files. Log mining server has not processed. The log mining server will still need to go through all these files through its own checkpoint table. Then it will send the data to the extract until it has reached through all the archive log which needs to be skipped. Okay, I'll explain this. So what does this mean? Okay, now I think in the previous slide I told you, right, the altering the extract back and forth is not easy. I mean, it takes time. I'm not saying it's not easy, but it takes time. So why does it take time to alter it forward, where you just need to skip it? Now, that's the reason. Thing is, when we want some archive log files which the log miner server has not processed, right? So when you're skipping here, right? So when you're skipping from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., so you're skipping 2 hours of archive, which the log miner has not processed it, right? The log miner will still need to go through all these files using its own checkpoint table. So even though we need to skip, the log miner will still scan through all those log files using its own checkpoint table. Then it will send the data to the extract until it has reached, until it has read through all the archive log which needs to be skipped. So that is the reason integrated extract performs or takes time when you alter it forward to skip some archives. In classic, it is fast because it is not having its own checkpoint table. It is just handling with the checkpoint file. In integrated, along with the checkpoint file, you have the checkpoint table of the log miner also. That is why when you are, I mean, if you get a chance, just check with your team, like how do they feel when they want to alter the integrated extract? Just ask, have they faced any issues and all? All right, then you will understand. Okay, so what? Yeah, anything? Anyone?
Nothing. See, I think even though we what's that? We stop the extract when
Mm-hmm.
we ran the bus script, the archives will be generated, and
Exactly.
the log miner will read the data from the archives. The only
Yep.
thing is when we start the extract, let's say that 9 o'clock we stopped and 10 o'clock we started. Then the log miner checkpoint table. So whatever archives which were generated in between 9 to 10, for that table
Mm-hmm.
it will skip and it will send after 10 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes. As per the
That's what.
data wise, it will be fine. It will give you the data after 10 only. Only thing is to come to that point, it will take time since it will be scanning the files, even though we told it to skip.
Understood. Understood. Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a solution for that also. So nothing to worry about. Okay. So what you will see is that extract is just sitting there waiting till the log miner server finish reading those log file that is supposed to be skipped. Now this is by design. So what is exactly happening when you're giving alter extract begin now? Extract is just idle. The log miner is doing the work. So that is why it will be in recovery state until it comes to the required archive log. So, so if the lot of like in purge, when lot of archives are generated, it will take time for the extract to come out of the recovery since the log miner would be reading all those archives. Is it okay, clear?
Yeah.
Now, what is the solution? Is that what I do? We unregister and register the extract back again. So what will that do? That will reset the checkpoints of the log miner, and then I alter it to the new point or the time. So what do we do? So stop extract like you did, then let the purge activities, perform it, right? Now this I'm saying with respect to this option, okay? If we choose to go with this option where we have the downtime for everything, then how to do? So the purge activity. Then once the purge is done. Just a second. The thing is, what I do based on this activity, we stop the extract at 9 a.m. and at 9:10 the purge activity started. Then at around 11 a.m. the purge is completed. All right. Now you need to fire this begin now. All right. But if you do it, this will take time. So instead, what we can do here, we can unregister the extract, register the extract, alter to begin now, and then start. So this will be very fast. Is that okay? Clear?
So in this case, we have a complete downtime of all the tables which are
Yes,
there in
yes,
the
yes.
extract, right? For
Yep.
all the A, B, C, all three tables.
Yes. So that's why I told, right? This step is related to this thing,
Okay.
right? So that's how it is. But yes, again, I'm saying do not unregister or register the extract on, anywhere else. Just, I mean, here you know that you have to skip, right? If you do it on a live setup, it will skip it. So be very careful, okay? Understand? Unregister for register, because why I'm saying this, that this happened at my environment. The extract was having some issues. It was not able to find some archives and all. And one guy from our team, he just searched in Google, and in one of the blogs, he got a solution of unregistering or and put, I like to register and then to register the extract. This because once you do this, extract is reset. So it is reset. So and then it will skip everything. It because it is as good as alter extract begin now. So guys, whenever you find any solution for unregister or for register, please consult someone, okay? And 2 3 times you need to understand what will be the impact. Understanding?
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you. Okay, great. Now past time altering. So past time, as I told you, when you want to take the extract backwards from the current time. So what is that? If you try to alter the extract into the past to reprocess some old archives, that is, if you take to the past, it means you are going to make it read the archives again, right? Which it had processed earlier. So to reprocess some old archive log that mining server has already processed. This is doable and should be relatively fast for the log mining server to update its checkpoint table to do so, as per theory, okay? But unfortunately, we have a bug in the part of code which we tried to reset the mining server checkpoint. We pass a much older SCN. This the direct result is the same. Extract is just sitting there waiting for the log miner to go through all the unnecessary log reading. Okay, so that's what I told you earlier. Like even if the extract is registered and month back or an year back, even altering the extract 1 or week back, it doesn't work actually. To be very frank enough, it does not work. Okay, so at that point, what I do is simple. I just downgrade to classic, take it backwards, let it run for some time. Once the lag is over, upgrade it back to integrated one. Because even though how much ever Oracle says, it doesn't work. As simple as that. So even if you make the extract, even if you alter the extract to some old point in time, is not working. It will be just in recovery forever, actually, in short. Okay. Now, hence, post altering. So, yeah, and in details, you can find in this talk, okay, about what all things I explained to you, we can see from here. Okay, any doubt up till now?
No?
Okay,